hey, there's this thing you can buy. I don't know what it is. It's like a container. I saw it. Apparently all the flies, they just go jump in there and they hide out and they party and have a good day until they die. So we're doing Mexican food today, or a version of Mexican food. It's Tex-Mex. Would go even further to say that it's a form of New Mex.
Yeah.
Mex. It's different than Tex-Mex. It's way different than just authentic Mexican food. Today I'm gonna do a version of it that is a little more mine, and it's also a little bit of Nate forgot to buy me the right corn tortillas, so I'm using flour. So it's 100% not New Mex.
Go get your own grocery next time.
You get your own show! Nobody has their own show and doesn't know cooking.
Great, grand! Everybody on the, no yelling on the bus.
By the way, we're going to be doing a beef and cheese beef enchilada and a cheese enchilada, one with red sauce, one with green sauce. I feel like the holler is necessary. Let's do this.
That's pretty good.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
So, it's time, folks, it's time. Don't know where I was gonna go.
What time is it?
It's enchilada time, folks. This is actually really, I said actually again. Dang it! We're gonna start that all over again.
Okay.
It's enchilada time, which means we're gonna do a couple versions of that. The first one is a beef enchilada. Let's throw the beef on the griddle, shall we? We can get cooking.
And what kind of beef are we using today,
Well,
CJ?
this, folks, is your homegrown, delicious USDA beef, 80-20.
I do want a cow.
You want one, like one or two over there?
I do.
And a zebra.
I actually do want a zebra.
Get a zebra.
A zebra.
So we're gonna throw this down right here.
No oil necessary?
Not for this guy. With this beef, the best part about it is you don't have to throw down a bunch of oil. It's got some of those juices in there. It's gonna cook in its own fat and juices. It's going to be delicious. While it's on there, I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning because here in a few moments, we're gonna be adding some other delicious taco style seasoning.
Wait, you're gonna do salt and pepper and...
Yep.
Whoa. Not my cooking show,
Nope,
is it?
nope. The reason I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper is because I'm not gonna do a bunch of heavy taco seasoning. I'm gonna add just a little bit to give it a little punch, but not go into like a taco, full-on taco beef seasoning.
I got you. Just a dab.
Just a dab. So while that's happening, I'm gonna cut up some onion here. We're gonna scoot along this pretty quick. I'm not gonna use too many today because I'm not cooking a ton of beef. All right, let's throw these onions on our beef. This has to be my favorite thing to cook on a griddle top. Once the onions start going to town with that beef, those onions are gonna get soft and a little sweeter. It's gonna permeate the beef with flavor.
Wow. Aromas and permeations?
Well, it is my
welcome.
It is my first show, but it won't be my last. Let me decide what I'm gonna do next. I know what I'm gonna do next. In this situation, we are going to do fresh grated cheese.
Oh, Betty's wearing off on you too.
Yeah, she is.
She's such a nice lady.
Is she?
Yeah.
She is. She's a great lady. She's our Betty, dude. I don't know what we would do without her.
What a gal.
We got a good team. We got Betty, we got Todd. Nate is just, he's okay.
You're gonna die, clown!
Let's grade this. Grate or grade?
It's your first cooking show, guy. You say whatever you want to say.
Let's get this cheese into another form. And I also bought and prepared a Mexican Ford cheese. It's a pre-shredded, but I like the flavor of it.
Wait, so you're
It's nice.
shredding
Yeah.
some and you pre-shredded?
We're cross-pollinating cheese here. Cross-pollinating situation. Oh, yeah.
Because I smell.
Look at that. See that caramelization?
Beautiful.
All right, now here's where I am going to add a little bit of our taco fajita seasoning. Oh, dude, it's brand new. What's going on here? Our pets' heads are falling off.
Our pets' heads are falling off!
I'm not gonna go heavy on this. This is gonna give it some color. A little bit, oh, you smell that immediately?
So good.
Yeah. All right, now that this is done, I'm gonna slide it off the heat and let it hang out until we get it prepped for our enchilada. Would you like some cheese?
No, thanks.
Okay. Let's get to our inappropriately purchased tortillas.
Would you say this doesn't work with flour, or are you just busting my chops?
It will work with flour, but it's gonna be all right. I'm gonna give Nate.
Maybe I'm a weirdo and I prefer flour tortillas.
Well, you'd
I
be
was
wrong.
thinking about myself.
That's for sure. All right, we're gonna go down on our griddle top with these. We're gonna do 4. We're gonna do 2 cheese.
Okay.
Then we're gonna do 2 that are beef and cheese and what's not. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil.
Alrighty.
This is going to help soften up our tortillas and get them pliable.
Beauty.
1, 2, 3, 4. You didn't know that I was bilingual, did you?
I did.
Oh, you did?
No.
Okay.
Cheese.
Cheese time.
Alright.
See this? We're not gonna do a whole lot on these first ones, okay?
Okay.
This is gonna kind of be a glue when we roll these up and put them on the griddle or
Okay.
keep them on the griddle. The cheese is gonna help keep it all together. You know what I mean?
Gotcha.
Now, we're gonna add some of our beef.
Oh, beauty.
You could get overzealous and just start packing this meat in here. Then you're not gonna be able to fold it up. And then you're gonna have a problem. All right, now, that is not done yet. Where's my spoon? Oh, no run of shame? Don't you worry, not today. Not to that path that you've paved, I'm not going there. So in New Mexico, it's pretty much customary. You go, I'll have a cheese enchilada, a beef enchilada, chicken enchilada, and they say, red or green. There's no sour cream, special sauces, and tomatillos. That's more like the Tex-Mex side of things. On the New Mexico side of things, well, this isn't even, again, because I have
it's flour.
inappropriate tortillas here.
I'm so sorry, CJ.
You should be. Okay, there we go. We got our one side flipped up. You really do need 2 utensils here because once you start flipping, you gotta have them.
Wow.
Yeah,
Cheese glue.
yeah. Flip that, slide that right over there. Now,
Repeat.
repeat. Ooh, those are a little toasty. We're gonna get rid of those. Too toasty.
That's, you know what? That's just my fault.
Yeah, it is your fault.
That's 100% my fault.
Oh, I know. And so does everybody else.
I was being sarcastic, but I somehow think you're being serious.
All right, now, this is where we're gonna add a whole lot of cheese, man.
Oh, you beautiful cheesy thing.
Oh, man.
So we're adding a lot of cheese because this is our cheese enchilada.
Cheese only enchilada.
Gotcha.
And I would have done a different technique with the cheese, but
You're just gonna keep.
somebody bought the wrong tortillas.
How many? Is that 3 times already?
It's a lot of times already. Story of your life. I don't know. Here's what's gonna make the magic right now. You guys, Monroe's is my favorite restaurant in the entire world. I've been eating there since I was like 7 years old. Monroe's
Like
green
a
chili.
week, 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, pretty much. We are going to add a little bit
Beauty.
of our green chili. New Mexico roasted green chili. And it's in this delicious kind of stew with some tomatoes in here. The flavor is unbelievable. Now we're not gonna do too much, just a little bit.
Little goes a long way here.
Little goes a very long way here. Let's fold.
I love it.
Oh, it's already started to get toasty over here.
That looks pretty beautiful, actually.
Oh, it ain't gonna be bad. That's for sure. Okay, and let's do this. I don't know where I was going with that. I'm gonna crank the heat up a little bit more over
Okay.
here. This guy
Okay.
is gonna help us out a whole lot
Alrighty.
here in just a moment. We could just put this on the griddle, do some more cheese, do a little more sauce, top it. I've done it, I do it, I love it. For presentation's sake and for beauty's sake, we're gonna go a little bit different way. We're going to be using the Blackstone cast iron
yeah.
serving tray. This is actually really fun. I'm gonna stop saying actually, taking it out of my vocabulary. This is really fun for obvious reasons. Let's throw it down over here and I'll show you what
There's a bee trying to get me.
You gonna die?
Jeez.
Come
Wow.
on. Hey,
Dude, actually this bee. Drink break.
drink break. My drink is almost empty. Gonna set
Down
our
goes the cast
serving
iron.
serving tray
Okay.
right over here. We're gonna do 1 cheese
Okay.
and 1 beef. I'm gonna sit down on cheese,
Righty.
right over there. I'm gonna sit down on beef, right over. Oh. All right, so we're gonna do some of this.
All right, we're gonna do some cheese. I'm just gonna put the counter for everyone.
All right, next. All right. All right, all right, all right. Hey, if it's good enough for Matthew McConaughey, it's good enough for me. All right, let's get back over here.
All right, let's get back over. We didn't even know you did it.
Now we're gonna throw some Mexican blend. All right, now Nate, here's the question. Which side was our beef on?
The right side closest to me.
You sure?
Uh-huh.
I know.
Oh.
So,
We tested me?
yep. We're gonna drop that, drop down a little bit of our red.
Just on the beef.
Just on the beef. Now we're gonna go green on our cheese.
I like it.
Wait.
More cheese. He's a madman.
Dome. Water. Cover.
I like it.
Set it and forget it. While that is melting, we're going to prep just a little bit of side love and fun, okay? Got a bowl. And what do we have here? Conventional salsa? No, sir.
No, sirree.
Not for CJ's first cooking show. Spared no expense.
Spared no expense. Spared no expense. Spared no expense.
We're gonna add some of my favorite salsa of all time into our molcajete bowl.
CJ, say it with me. Molcajete.
We're going to acquire some corn tortilla chips into another.
Molcajete.
You want to have a gander here? That bowl is awesome.
Yep.
You know what can make them better, right?
No.
Is if they were corn.
Again.
Oh, dude, your gloves are soaked.
Oh, it rained. Holy whoa.
Holy whoa is the correct terminology. Let's slice up a little fresh tomato, shall we? Do that real quick. Oh, that's a bit too high of a stack, buddy.
Bit too high?
Bit too high.
I bet you would Panama Red.
I bet you would, Panama Red.
And moving on to our lettuce.
You can go with a little bit more fresh onion.
You're gonna do it right. That's what my pappy always used to say.
You're gonna go hard. Go hard.
Is that right?
Huh?
Just hard? You're gonna go hard, just go hard?
Yup.
Do you think anybody thinks I'm a failure because I go home to Starla at night? Forget about it.
Let's garnish, shall we?
Yeah.
First, we're gonna do lemon lettuce.
I feel good. I'll be in there if you need me.
A little bit of tomato, and then a little bit of fresh onion.
This smells so fantastic. We haven't even eaten it
I know. You wanna dabble in this?
yet. Let's do it.
I'm gonna have a chip as a backup utensil. Did I even get any tortilla? I did get some tortilla in there.
Some of that gorgeous flour tortilla.
All right, I'm gonna do this. Ready? Hopefully it doesn't burn my mouth.
Yeah, it will. Hopefully it does. Boom. Boom sauce.
Let's try the beef. The cheese one was stellar. Wow. Oh no. Back up. We need backup here.
Support.
This is really fantastic. You wanna try it?
I do.
I'll take the camera.
Well.
All right, I'll swap.
Did you bring me a...
Nope.
Hey, did you bring me a fork, guy?
Nope.
Did...
You have to make the run of shame? Not even your video.
Everyone knows you sabotaged me.
It's
Not even my video. Why
I
would
never
I have
said-
grabbed my own fork? I didn't know you were gonna...
You need a backup utensil, you can.
I'm all about that. All about that. I approve this message.
Well,
Thanks for making me do the walk of shame, guy.
I don't know what you're talking about. Here's the big deal.
Here's the big deal.
There are good days in my life, then there are great days. And then there's days like today. It just doesn't get much better than a nice cheese enchilada.
Simple.
Look at that. Doing it with, oh no.
Oh, wow.
My
Wow.
good day might have turned bad.
What happened? Did you lose a chip?
Still good.
No.
Mexican food, or New Mexican, or Tex-Mex. And those are freaking good enchiladas.
Yes.
So,
I concur.
he concurs.
Do you concur?
Go to the website, blackstoneproducts.com. Look at this recipe and many others. Mine.
Buy my shirt.
Buy my shirt. I got stickers, seriously. I say adieu. Cheers, shall we?
Hey.
Shall we call it a day? Where on
Cheers.
CJ's first cooking show, we cook
And we
quote. Cheers.
And we sabotage our friends and make them look stupid.
We also do that. Is there a more elegant way to cut tomatoes?
Yeah, 100%. Probably couldn't do it anyway.
Nope. Just imagine what it'd be like if I could though, right? Dang it.
It's actually spit. You came out of your mouth just now.